In today's video, I'll show you how to quickly disable Read.ai from Microsoft Teams. If you want a cleaner Teams experience or you're tired of Read.ai automatically joining your meetings, this step-by-step tutorial will walk you through exactly what to do. To get started, open Microsoft Teams and make sure you're logged in. You may see Read.ai listed in your meetings or integrations, but we won't be changing anything directly inside Teams. Instead, we'll manage this connection from the Read.ai website, which is where the integration is controlled. Next, open your browser and log in to your Read.ai account. Once you're signed in, look for the section labeled Apps or Integrations. This area shows all the tools and platforms currently connected to your Read.ai account. Follow the on-screen instructions as you navigate through the settings. The interface is user-friendly, so you don't need any technical experience to complete this process. Scroll down until you find an option called Team Sync to Read. This setting indicates whether Read.ai is currently connected to your Microsoft Teams account. Click on it to open more details. Before disconnecting, make sure both your Microsoft and Read.ai accounts are properly logged in, your browser isn't blocking permissions, and your internet connection is stable. These quick checks can help prevent errors during the process. Once you're inside the Team Sync to Read settings, look for the Disconnect button. Clicking this will instantly disable Read.ai from Microsoft Teams. If a confirmation prompt appears, simply confirm your choice to complete the process. If you don't see the disconnect option, it may mean that Read.ai hasn't been fully connected to Teams yet. In that case, you'll need to connect it first before you can disable it. And that's it. By following these simple steps, you can easily remove Read.ai from Microsoft Teams and keep full control over your meetings and integrations. If you found this video helpful, leave a comment, give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell for more helpful tutorials.